Welcome to the Energy Reset Meditation Introduction. This is a very powerful meditation to do no matter what time of day, no matter where you are. Consider the meditation itself as an initiation in the sense of a beginning into this practice, into this way of doing it. Because once you get the hang of it, you can do this very quickly, very instantly, in a few breaths, and every few weeks go deeper. Now, our energy tends to go outwards all of the time. What I mean with this is we think about the past. We process things, or we cannot process things, and our thoughts go to the past constantly. We think about the present moment, the relationships often that we have, or the work that we are doing, and our energy is outwards. It is everywhere except with ourselves. And we also consider the future, feel forward, think forward. Everything is pulling our energy outwards all the time, and it is not fully with ourselves. Now, while this is very natural for us humans, after all, contemplating the past and processing things, being present with our current relationships and interactions and things we need to do, planning for the future, worrying about the future, and preparing for any eventuality are all very good things to be doing. And yet, there is something very magical, very powerful, and very restorative in bringing our energy fully back to ourselves. And this is why you can do this practice all the time. Because the same way that, we have to always clean our homes over and over again, it will become messy over and over again. Our energy will go outwards over and over again because this is natural, it is normal, and it is useful. And yet, when we want to feel very restored, very present, or even before we do other meditations or rituals, after we wake up or at the end of the day, it can be immensely powerful and very effective in how we conduct ourselves, hold ourselves, and go about our business to arrive fully at ourselves at some point throughout the day. So this is a full energy reset where you pull back everything from the past, the present, and the future, with a little bonus at the end where you feel where other people or other things, times might be reaching into your energy, and you send that back. The sensation at the end of the meditation is one of strength, of personal power, and of wholeness, and having this full moment of restorative, nourishing reset in your own body, in your energy body, also in your mind and in your sensations. We really hope you enjoy this practice. It's a very powerful one. And as a small extra bonus tip, a great place to do this is when you shower, because you have the moment beneath the water, and it's such a perfect moment to draw your energy back and leave the shower fully clean and cleansed inside and out, whole and complete unto yourself. Sit, stand, or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Deepen your breath, and let your awareness sink into your body, feeling for any tension, engaging in small movements to release that tension. Feeling your mind, letting any thoughts be there and drift away, and feeling the beautiful presence of your soul the spark of life within you. And begin to scan your body. And here, focus on your energy. Energy in the form of thoughts, in the form of sensations, in the form of emotions. And notice where this thinking, this feeling, this sensing is reaching out of your body. Begin by scanning into the past. Where in the past is your energy at the moment? This might be with memories, with experiences, challenging situations, or something you've never quite made peace with. And just scanning for it without diving deeper, you might see your energy as tendrils or threads reaching backwards in time. With a few deep breaths, inhale them back into your body. Feel the energy returning to you, releasing the past. Call it back into your body. And as you do, notice how with every bit of energy that comes back, you feel more whole, more complete, more at peace in the present moment. With a deep breath, call in every last remnant of energy until it is here and now and in your body. And now scan into the present moment. Where is your energy reaching out right now? This could be to people, to things that you feel you must do now. This could be a sensation, how you feel the world is, something you're not at peace with in this moment, or that you cannot stop thinking about in the present moment. Wherever you feel your energy, and this might be defined specifically or just a vague sensation of energy not being in your body, inhale it back to you. Bring it back to the present moment in your body. Inhale it back from people, from outward thoughts, from needing to do. And as you do, feel yourself more whole, more nourished, and your presence stronger. Inhaling all of the energy back into your body. And now reaching out into the future. Noticing where your energy might be in the future. Is it worried about anything? Is it planning ahead? Is it stressed? Is it imagining, envisioning? And for now, breathe all your energy back into your body, into the present moment, pulling in those tendrils, those threads from the future, letting it all return to you. And as you do, feeling more whole, more complete. And now that all your energy is back with you, for one moment, feeling so full, so present, so strong, sense if there's still any space for anyone else's energy or tendrils to be reaching into you. Breathing ourselves back into wholeness often pushes out anything that is not ours to hold on to. But sometimes we might feel something from the past, the present, the future, from someone or something that is not part of ourselves, still remaining. If that is the case, breathe it out forcefully. Send it off. And if you need a couple of breaths, go for it. Repeating this until you feel whole, expanded, present and strong and complete. Enjoy the sensation for a few more moments, knowing you can do this meditation as often as you want and whenever you feel the need. With a deep breath, this meditation is now complete.